Everyone, today I am going to show you some cool words. These are homographs. Homographs are those words which look same, but if we pronounce differently, its meaning get changed. Our first word is this. If we pronounce it tear, then it means ashru. But the same word, if we pronounce it tear, then it will mean फाड़ने. Our second word is this. If we pronounce it minute means 60 seconds, and this same word we will pronounce it minute, so its meanings get changed. It is micro, chota. Our third word is this. If we pronounce it resume, it means some documents, and this same word we will pronounce it as resume. It means restart. Fourth word is this. If we pronounce it as refuse, it means to reject. Focus on this, refuse. And this same word we will pronounce it refuse, then it means garbage. So these are the words, homographs, and I hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.